Hey Sue, how's my new makeup? Well, that's not the reaction I was looking for.
What, Sammy? You can't stand your own beauty?
Sue, it looks awful.
Wipe it off yourself. We're having a new unboxing today.
Hey, don't start without me, Sue!
Hi guys! Today we're going to unbox these Fail Fix dolls.
Sue, these girls look, I don't know how to say this.
Awful?
Exactly.
Just like you a few minutes ago.
Hey, I already fixed my look. That was an unfortunate experience.
Well, now we'll fix the look of these sweeties. Guys, these dolls were trying to repeat the life hacks they saw in beauty blogs.
Be my style savior.
Sammy, you look even better than before the makeup.
Oh, thanks. I try to drink a lot of fresh water and limit sugar in my diet.
But this girl is in dire need of our help. Look, she's crying. My DJ set starts in an hour. It's a style emergency.
Dr. Sam is here. That means your style's in good hands.
Oh, she looks so sad. We totally need to fix her makeup.
Oh, let me take a picture to compare before and after.
Great idea, Sammy.
Wow, there's a lot of cool stuff.
Yep, like this hairbrush with 2 F's on the back. And small rubber bands, which we'll use later for a hairstyle. What a cool pin! I wonder what hairstyle we can make with it. We also have a transparent stand for our beauty. And a beauty mask to help us fix her makeup. Wow, let's check out her outfit! This dress is so shiny in the center and black at the sides. Perfect for a party. Let's have a closer look at our doll's hair. It seems like we need to get these shoes and earrings out of her hair.
Sue, I found the instructions.
Cool, let's see. So here we have every makeover step. It'll make our fixing process much faster. First of all, let's check out what she's got in her hair, because a hairstyle is a very important part of the whole look. These pink boots with thick black soles are perfect for DJing.
Sue, there's so many beauty bloggers who share dangerous beauty hacks.
And Fail Fix Dolls shows us that we should be careful trusting them. These accessories are so fancy. Seems like SlayItDJ has a perfect sense of style.
To clean SlayItDJ's face, we should put this beauty mask on her.
Right, Sammy. This is a Fixer Fail special mask. We need to use it for the makeover.
Those curls also draw attention in a bad way.
By the way, DJing is a perfect way to express yourself.
Check out my new DJ mix. Don't be afraid, my little girl. Your new makeup will be on top.
Sammy, how creative. Anyway, let's keep combing her beautiful hair this way. Look, I think it's working. Here we go. Let's see if the mask worked. Whoa, now she has a cool new makeup.
Sue, we should follow the instructions.
All right, what should we do next? It says we should make her a cool mohawk.
Then it says we'll need this awesome pin. SlayItDJ said her previous hairstyle was a mess. She looked kinda crazy.
But now, she looks perfect. Let's put her transparent earrings with beautiful glitter. They're different shapes, so stylish. These accessories will catch the attention of the whole dancing crowd. And of course, there's no party without fancy pink shoes. Cool, right? Now SlayItDJ is ready to rock any party.
Here comes the after photo.
Hey guys, do you want to see a fancy glam girl?
One photo, please.
The name of this star is LovesGlam. I love this black dress. The golden lines are just awesome.
This brush and hair curlers will help me in my super fix mission.
Guys, LovesGlam has the same stuff as SlayItDJ. The only difference is the hair accessory. Here we'll have golden hair curlers.
The rubber bands are different too. They're yellow here.
First, we need to take the shoes out of her hair. Guys, do you like LovesGlam's style? Oh, these black shoes are so fancy.
Sue, we should hurry up. LovesGlam said the grand opening is today.
No worries, she'll be right on time. LovesGlam has such a bright personality. I'd like to know some facts about her.
She's a natural-born star that knows how to work on camera.
Cool, that's a very useful skill.
Yeah, she can make a lot of cool TikToks.
She looks like a top model with this new makeup. Now let's do her hair using these curlers this way. Let's check out LovesGlam's new hairstyle. There we go. Voila! She's absolutely gorgeous! Her gold earrings have a very interesting shape. Here comes the second one. Done.
Now she is absolutely ready for the red carpet. Woohoo!
Absolutely! Check out how this necklace matches her earrings. Just one final touch. Shoes. Hop.
It's time to take a photo of our doll after the makeover.
All right.
Sue, this girl looks very optimistic.
Yeah, she can totally laugh at her own fails. Her name is Kawaii Qtee. And she's a big anime fan. That's so sweet.
How do I look with these pom-poms?
Stunning, but give them back to Kawaii Qtee. Although right now it's hard to put them on.
Say cheese!
Guys, do you like anime? These blue and white sneakers look really cool. Check out these beautiful earrings shaped like tiny stars and hearts. Her necklace has tiny stars too. And also a cute butterfly. It's time to fix your makeup.
Sue, I got it! The first sign that there's something wrong with a beauty hack is when you're told to put shoes in your hair.
Yep, and now we're fixing all the results of those wrong hacks. Now she looks great! And I really like these. These pom-poms are so fluffy. Now she looks like an anime character herself!
Sue, she wanted to look kawaii. Luckily, I know some Japanese. Kawaii means cute or sweet.
Well, she's definitely kawaii.
Arigato! PreppiPosh. What a beautiful name. Just like Sammy.
Oh, and her face is totally telling us that she is not happy with her makeup. Now she's wearing a simple bathrobe. And now we can see her cool and fancy clothes.
Wow, she looks like a student.
A cool student, I must say. I really like this blue dress. Simple and stylish.
Her hair reminds me of spaghetti.
Have you ever found glasses in your spaghetti? PreppiPosh is a hardworking student. She has straight A's in style and science. But something went wrong. No worries, Preppy. We're gonna help ya.
Yeah, her A+ makeup looks more like a fail. Sue, Preppy's saying she's not perfectly preppy, but perfectly frightful.
Sammy, that's no reason to cry.
That's Preppy, not me.
Wait a second, she'll be crying for joy. Awesome! Look, guys, check out her new makeup.
This butterfly pin will look perfect in her blonde hair.
You're right, Sammy. It looks really good on her. One more perfect addition to an image of a good student. And these earrings are the same bright pink color as the glasses. They're so tiny and so cute. I also like her fancy shoes. Just look at these little straps. Yay! We've completed her stylish look. Isn't she perfect?
A+ photo, please. What's going on? I can't stop dancing!
That's because we're unboxing Dance.Stylz. This girl is keen on dancing. Let's check out her outfit. 98 girl power, cool!
Is she a ballet dancer? Why is she barefoot?
Think about it, Sammy. Maybe the beauty hacks she applied told her she could make great curls with her shoes. I guess these stylish sneakers are perfect for dancing. Her earrings are small and white. Minimalism, I like it. Her necklace is purple, just like those numbers on her t-shirt.
Oh, Sue, she wanted to visit a dance class, but she couldn't because of her appearance.
No worries, she'll be the star in her dance class.
Guys, did you know that dancing has a good influence on your mind? No time to waste, let's dance!
I can't wait to see her new makeup! Whoa! Her eyeshadow is multicolored, purple, brown, and white.
Dance.Stylz is also very good at freestyle. I think we'll have a dance battle.
Check out her cool hair tie with 2 colored balls, pink and purple. Let's check the complete look.
Let me take one picture of the beautiful dancer first. Guys, give a thumbs up if you enjoyed our unboxing and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And be careful with beauty hacks. Bye!
See ya!